Hey, what's up guys, it's Oscar from Oscar's Audio Designs. Just showing you a quick little short video. We worked on a 2018 Yukon. We made a custom enclosure for two JL Audio 12-inch W7s. We wrapped it. It's behind the third row. It was in a tight space, but the box is to specs. It is ported. We used two RD 1500s wired at 3 ohm. So they put out 1,000 watts each. So 1,000 watts per sub. The subs are 12-inch W7s at 3 ohm, so it's a perfect match. We also have an RD 404 powering 2 sets of JL Audio C3s. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe.
If you like to groove, then move to this jam. Then it's rockin' and you're jockin', miss. But that's okay, cause I like it like that. Jockin' is alright if the girl ain't whack. So step to the front so I can get a close look. You look fly, so let me get my phone book. Better yet, let me get a pack of Trojans so you can feel the power of Conan, the barbarian. I get you wet, then you grip your lips on the load I'm carrying. Yeah, I'm a freak, and so is my DJ. And you can best believe we get much play. Don't you know we're all about that slay? Never ever heard a girl say no way. The way we freak the hoes is kind of systematic, but a better definition is automatic. It's time to dance, no time for delaying. DJ Lay send me the rhyme brainiac. We're gonna make you dance like a maniac. So let down your hair and roll up your sleeves, cause we're gonna rock this spot with these. The way we make you move, it ain't nothing tragic. It's just automatic. A nice dark brown. The girls will tell you that I get around. Not because of the way I kick my sound. They just can't say no when I lay my game down. Dancing all around this US of A. I cold rock a show and then I get the slate. Lay my head pretty on a fat tip. I got offspring in every major city. Now I'm just tripping, running my lippin'.